Attention! Temba Mliswa has started a fresh campaign to tarnish the name of the acting president, His Excellency Comrade Chiwenga, and this time he is using another false claim. Sarabina mashoko bura pango inacho kwa kunzi. Temba Mliswa has been exposed kuti arufamba achida kutanisha zita ra current acting president VP Constantino Chiwenga. Pango ine panyaso konzi Mliswa aingurisa mwana zvake ari kutumwa nezvigananda kuti auye asvibise Chiwenga nobva like on the bell icon. Tipinda painda Isaac Makumi chamudanyura chiti hanzi naMliswa VP Chiwenga ngavarege kutaura about corruption uvo vasina action yavari kuita kumisa corruption yacho. It seems like Temba forgot that late last year 2025 VP Chiwenga provided a dossier with a list of criminal individuals, how they stole and are still stealing, and he demanded that this Uganda be arrested. He presented the dossier in the Politburo. After that, the Minister of Justice claimed that the dossier was treasonous. Imagine exposing corrupt individuals and then being labeled a treasonous person who wants to overthrow the government. To Temba Mliswa and his cabal, don't think the people are stupid. Talking about corrupt individuals, exposing them, and demanding their arrest is what we call enforcing clean governance. What else do you want the vice president to do? Exposing corruption is already a sign that he is distancing himself from there. The vice president is truly standing on the side of the masses. Whatever Temba and his associates are trying to do or say, as people, we will always know that the dossier was presented in the Politburo by VP Chiwenga, but he was attacked because he wanted Uganda with Risungwe. And some corrupt comrades still want him VP fired because he exposed them. Saka action inodarika ipapo ndeipi? Ndo mashiko anoita kugwa panguva ino awana Isaac Makumi chati defender VP Constantino Chiwenga pane zvigananda. Mina kumaisa kuchemeduzwa funguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa musana subscribe wa like chitomba bell like.